chocolate, dates, and almonds for dessert. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are pleasing your sweet tooth and making our dark chocolate truffles dessert recipe. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Dry roast almonds in oven 8 to 12 minutes. Once roasted, allow almonds to cool. Take a moment to give this recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out our channel for other chocolate desserts. If you like what you see, subscribe below to know when we release new videos. Pour water into a pot. And bring it to a boil. Add dates. Boil 8 minutes. Drain dates and allow them to cool. Once cooled, peel skin from each date. Place dates into a food processor. Back to the almonds, roughly chop them. Place almonds into the food processor too. Along with vanilla extract and cocoa powder. What toppings do you enjoy on chocolate truffles? Let us know by commenting below the video. Process 1 minute. Or until a moist and sticky dough forms. Place dough into a bowl. Scoop out dough and roll dough into equally sized balls. Roughly chopped coconut. Coat half of the balls with shredded coconut. Place all of the balls onto a sheet pan lined with parchment paper. Refrigerate 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, melt chocolate in a double boiler. Coat the coconut-free balls with melted chocolate. Place the balls back onto the sheet pan and refrigerate 1 hour or until set. If you are enjoying this recipe, like and share it. Also, subscribe and click on notifications to stay current on new recipes. To serve, place chocolate truffles onto a platter with toothpicks. This recipe makes 18 to 20 dark chocolate truffles. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.